Really, the reason that I started MERUS Adventure Park is to bring people together. One of our main missions here at MERUS is to create an amazing experience for you, your friends, and your family. And that starts with the way that our team treats all of the people that come here.
It's beautiful. This is like literally God's country right here.
You can't see pictures or hear somebody talk about it. You have to get out here to the park and experience it, because that is when you're like, wow. And then those people, it doesn't matter where at in the country, they come back and they keep coming back.
The really good thing about what has happened here at MERUS Park is that they have adopted the philosophy of conservation. Conservation of the natural park to make it as uninhibited as it can possibly be.
It has been so incredible because people have come out here and been out in this amazing canyon, and they're making connections, and we're already hearing stories about people going off and they're going to have adventures outside of this event.
Our mission here is to create an amazing experience for you and your family.